Hello, everyone. Today I will be talking about the positive effects of animal testing. Just from the United States, between 17 to 22 million animals are being tested on every year. Majority of these animals are rats and mice. Chimpanzees and other apes are also tested on by scientists. Today's animal testing is not the same as from the 1990s because of how advanced technology has come along. Animal testing is very beneficial because it contributes towards life saving cures and treatment. It is very crucial to ensure that vaccines are safe and animals are appropriate research subjects because animals are like human beings in many ways. Animal testing has been conducted for over 100 years and has helped humans for better cures and treatment such as breast cancer, brain injury, and even childhood leukemia. Scientists have used all types of animals to ensure that we humans receive the best treatment to recover from any named diseases that may appear. In most cases, animal studies are necessary for research that aims to comprehend complex issues related to disease progression, genetics, lifetime risk, or other biological mechanism of a whole living system because doing so on human subjects would be unethical, morally unacceptable, technically impossible, or too challenging. From a post by Stanford Medicine, they stated that animals must continue to play a critical role in helping researchers test potential new drugs and medical treatments for effectiveness and safety, and in identifying any undesired or dangerous side effects, such as infertility, birth defects, liver damage, toxicity, or cancer causing potential. Stafford 22, paragraph 2. This statement, I believe, is true because animals are in the next closest to humans, and since we don't have confirmation on aliens or other living beings outside of our universe, testing animals is our best solution. As a result, animal testing provides a lot of information necessary for humans to discover new findings to ensure that we are up to date on current diseases that may cause effects on animals and humans. Second reason for benefits from animal testing is because of the capability of having safe vaccines. Vaccines for dogs, for example, are very important because they can prevent common diseases that can be taken care of just one or two shots. Animals frequently receive the lepo, lepopardia, Crochet Etrux, Borrelia burgdorferi, and several other vaccines. By testing on animals, this ensures that animals are receiving the best vaccines possible and to live a happy life. From a United Kingdom research report, they stated why to vaccinate animals. Just like children, dogs and cats need vaccinations against dangerous viral and bacterial diseases. Without proper vaccination, your pet is left unprotected. Rosenbaum, 2019, paragraph 1. Therefore, local doctors and commercials on TV suggest getting the flu shot every year to sustain the chances of getting the flu. As for animals, getting rabies prevent common diseases that animals could suffer from. As a result, we should not and try to run away from this idea because if we don't vaccinate animals, then the rate of animals will decrease slowly over time. My last reason is because by testing animals, doing proper research on animals can help benefit humans. Studies have shown that animals are the next closest thing to humans. Instead of taking the risk on humans to perform tests, one can instead use it on animals while it being less harmful than it would be if it was for humans. Most comparable animals that we can compare to humans that still exist today are chimpanzees. From an article by Maxim Labridge, he has stated that interesting fact about the comparison from chimpanzees to humans. Chimpanzees are genetically closest to humans, and in fact, chimpanzees share about 98.6% of our DNA. We share more of our DNA with chimpanzees than with monkeys or other groups, or even with other great apes. Labridge, 2018, paragraph 5. So, if we didn't want to do any experimental tests on humans, we could do them on chimpanzees because they have the closest DNA to us while it being less harmful. All mammals that are comparable to humans have a lot in common, including heart, lungs, and kidneys. They all function the same way that humans do. Because humans and animals are very close in similarity, it is most likely that animals have the same illness and diseases as us. As a result, doing research on animals that are very similar to humans can allow us to find new studies and new diseases that we could prevent early on. In conclusion, this essay has provided three reasonings why the positivity of testing animals can be very beneficial to humans and is less harmful for both animals and humans to get tested on. Animal testing should continue happening as it has shown for having great effects on animals and humans. It also gives a reason to give your yearly vaccines, not just for humans, but for your animals as well. So, will there be a point where there is an animal that has 100% of our DNA? Today, anything is possible. And here's my reference page. Thank you.